Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Wes Bailey again. I'm here on my YouTube channel, but it's on Facebook as well. So you can like, share, comment, whatever you might want to do. And you can always find us at wesbaileylaw.com. Today is Civil Law Day. We're going to talk about family law issues. And the number one issue for today is domestic abuse. I think a lot of people have domestic abuse issues that they really don't want to talk about. But today, let's just kind of talk about two facets. You have the criminal component and you also have the civil component. On the criminal side, you want to watch out because domestic abuse cases are somewhat specialized. You have to have your own, sometimes it's a Gwen's Law hearing, which is a special hearing for domestic abuse cases in a bond. So if you're arrested, you're put in jail, you've gone to jail, the judge has a time limit in which he needs to set a special hearing. At that hearing is when they hear facts about your case and a bond is set. So if you're a man or a woman, and I've seen them both, they've both been in those cases, so it's fair game for each party to go into a domestic abuse case. Those issues arise. Now that is for felonies. For misdemeanors, you know, the cause may arise. You will probably get a bond without the hearing. Always want to get the lawyer ahead of time on that. And I will tell you why. Because there are certain issues that you don't want coming out. Or there might be certain issues you do want coming out, but that you want to argue. Now, what those issues are, I can't tell you because everybody's case is different. Everybody's case is going to be their own unique case. So no two cases are the same. So watch out for that. Those cases are fast, those cases are dangerous, and those cases have a punitive, which means a punishment effect on your civil cases. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about here. If you've been charged and then thereafter convicted civilly, you can be held to pay a higher fee and spousal support as a punitive effect. Or let's say you have domestic abuse issues and the victim in that matter is your kid, which happens in juvenile cases, or is the kid of a spouse, a stepchild, or is your spouse. You're going to be in a bad spot because of custody, for support, for going back to the home, for restraining orders, and that's just another issue that you're going to have on top of having a criminal charge. Now, let's say you're the victim of domestic abuse. Those are issues you need to watch out for in a divorce because they can actually put you in a position to be much more protected by law than you would just in a normal criminal case. So you have two facets there you really want to watch out for. Maybe you're the family member of someone who's in this type of case. Either way it goes, give us a call at Wes Bailey, Attorney at Law. I just want you to come and talk to us before you make a move, either way it goes. Thank you.